Today's vintage recipe is shrouded in mystery. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where we have a recipe for New England corn chowder created by a mystery woman from the past. I love finding old handwritten recipes and recipes clipped from newspapers and magazines in my vintage cookbooks, and I found this one tucked between the pages of Better Homes and Gardens, famous foods from famous places, neatly written out on pink paper. I have no idea who this mystery woman is, but her chowder is easy and delicious. To make it, all you do is brown 4 slices of bacon, then add 1 sliced onion and cook that. When that's done, remove the excess fat from the pot. Add 2 cups of water, 2 cups of diced potatoes, and salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, add a can of creamed corn and 2 cups of light cream and simmer for 5 minutes. Add your crumbled bacon and 1 tablespoon of butter and serve. Sprinkle with cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. How about a light and boozy dessert to follow that chowder? This recipe, for the Red Rooster, is in my mother-in-law's handwriting, but we have no recollection of her giving us this recipe, and I found it nestled among some old papers. To make this tipsy treat, all you do is combine 1 part cranberry juice, 1 part orange juice, and 2 parts vodka in a cocktail glass and freeze. The recipe directs that you serve it as slush. I like to think she enjoyed at least one of these back in the day. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us this weekend for a visit from Cousin Glendora. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.